Some stories are born of noise, others of perseverance. For 10 years now, here at the foot of the Laurentians, in this cold that forges character, an idea chose to stand its ground, to break through every barrier. Driven by audacity, it defied convention. Guided by excellence, it opened the way to innovation. Today, what we build crosses borders, time zones, horizons, connects cities, brings people closer. But what moves us most isn't what flies, it's what makes it fly. Thousands of hands, thousands of talents, one shared will to go further. 10 years in the sky, and this is only the beginning.